to hold the weight. You're going to use a float to test the velocity. And here goes up to the 10-metre mark.
Oh! I feel it.
Can you get up?
You missed it.
You missed it? Sorry. You need another person. You can stop one.
Helen has left.
Now, in. How long that took? 16.7. Do that 10 times. The calculations, don't worry about doing it now. We'll do that back in the hospital. That's how you work out velocity. We'll do it one more time. Well, ready? Stop, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you do it 5 or 6, you do it the more times you do it, the more accurate the average will be. That's my orange. What a sacrifice. Stop. 24.9. Across it. For example, you might be slower here or faster in the middle. So don't be just content. You're going to do a really good river study. Measure it at 3 points across the river. Alright, so that's velocity. Now, I'll show you how to do a boulder count. We'll go to the bottom of the sheet. Can you wind that in, please? No, Stephen's going to show you how to do a boulder count. Before we start, you're watching. There are 2 axes on a boulder. There is the A axis, which is along this side, way round, and there's the B axis. We're going to use the B axis, the width of the boulder. Okay, the B axis. Have you got who's got now? To do this, you take 1 step, pick up a boulder, and you measure around the big B axis and record it. So, Stephen, ready? Take a step upstream, pick up a boulder.
Inches.
13 inches. You do that several times, and once again you work out the average. That will give you the average boulder size. Take another step, Stephen. Yeah, alright, step. Pick up another boulder. Measures round the middle, the B axis. He does that 10 times, 10 steps. That's the boulder count.
10 inches.
Damon, can you stand back about 6 inches? Great. Yeah, thanks.
Roger, you want to do this so it's nice and tight across the screen. Don't let it dangle in the water, otherwise you'll miss it. What's the width? How wide is the screen?
Oh, yeah.
How wide is it, Ellie? 8 metres. Now, to do a cross section, you get the total width, which is 8 metres, and you take a measurement at every 1 metre interval. I'll show you. Right. So you need a metre stick for this, okay? A metre rule. So at 1 metre mark, I'll take a step. 46 centimetres, you record it. Then I go to the 2 metre mark. I line it, and I record the depth again. The current might cause a problem a little bit. 30 centimetres, you record it. The 3 metre mark. You take the inside, don't try and measure the outside, because then you can see the water's flowing up around the stick. That's about 31. 4 metre mark, 20 centimetres. Now you do this all the way across the stream. Once again, this can be plotted on graph paper so we get the contour, the pattern, the shape of the bed of the river. And from that we can work out the discharge. I'll tell you more about that in the hostel. This is just recording data in the field. Now if you've got a stream which is very, very wide, say 30 metres, you don't need to take 30 measurements. You can just take it 1 every 2 metres. Similarly, if it's a very narrow stream, say about 4 metres, you can take them every ½ metre, but they must be taken at regular intervals. Do you understand that? Once again, it's teamwork. You'll need 2 people for this tape, 1 person to the measuring and 1 person to record. So if you are doing a river study, make sure you're in a team. What else have we got on that sheet? Discharge, you've got to do a cross section, you've got to do velocity readings, and the actual discharge figure can be worked out with a calculator back at the hostel. But these are the 3 things, sets of data you must record. Velocity, size of boulders, velocity of different parts of the stream going across, boulders, the cross section, and also you must do a sketch, a plan view of where you did the readings. So you can show shape of the bends, where there was deposits on the surface, where the water was deep, so on and so forth. Okay? Don't be frightened about getting wet. You soon dry out. There is a drying room in the hostel, so you'll be okay. Now, who would like to have a go? Right, we've got a number of meter sticks. We've got 2 of these rules. Okay, so let's get yourselves into some team and have a go.
Nice, really, isn't it?
What is it?
What's the weight? And how many knots did you dish out? 8.5 meters. 3 feet down. Go. Rock that work. Rats.